Welcome to the new temporary location of the Olmstead Workshop. I'm your host, Jordan Olmstead, and today we're going to take a look at building this indestructible archery target.
The overall dimensions of this target are going to be 3 feet by 3 feet. So I began cutting a 2 by 12 into two 36-inch long pieces and two 34-inch long pieces and just screwed them together with butt joints. I then covered both sides of this frame with chicken wire using a pneumatic stapler. You could definitely do this with a hand-powered one, but it was a lot of staples to hold this nice and taut. I then used 1x3s to make a face frame, and if you pay closer attention than I did when I was building this, you'll notice I drilled twice as many holes as necessary when assembling. I began packing the target frame with plastic wrap that I got from my local farm store. Any warehouse or shipping center that has pallets is going to have an abundance of this stuff, and they're usually willing to give it away. I just packed as much as I could until I couldn't get any more in with that dowel. Stretching canvas over the face frame and stapling in place, this is going to make up a nice uniform surface to mount targets or to spray paint targets. And it's going to give nice registration of where the arrows actually hit. And this was just purchased by the yard at my local Joann's Fabric. This was the first time I picked up the finished frame, and it was much heavier than expected, so you can see me struggle a little bit to get it back into the cart. Overall, this thing came out to be about 60 pounds. If I was planning on using it as a field target and shooting at it on the ground, I probably would put some wheels on it. Traveling a safe distance out into the field where I have my target stand set up, you can see once again I struggled with the weight of this thing on my own. Since I've been using it, I've definitely recruited additional help when moving it around. Since I completed this thing, it has been rock solid, and I've shot several hundred arrows into it without any signs of wear and tear. It was designed so that face frame could be removable and the piece of canvas could be replaced as they get shot out. I hope you found this interesting, or at least informative. I know it's a departure from my normal material, but thank you for stopping by the Olmstead Workshop, and we'll see you next time.